Hello everyone, in this video you can see how to make a rocket. Watch the video till the end. You can also make other things at home such as a plane or a rocket. Tell me what it is in the comments. Watch the video till the end. Do as shown in this video and watch the video till the end. It is very simple to do. If you have also made others rockets eating eater at a school or at a home, let me know in the comments. Like this video. Let me know how you like this video by commenting. If you like the video, give it a like, subscribe and tell me in the comments where you are from. My God bless you. Please like and subscribe. God bless you.